Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Izzy. Today we're going to create a simple calculator using Python and Tkinter. This is a great project for beginners who want to learn how to build graphical user interfaces with Python. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional calculator that you can add to your portfolio. Let's get started. First things first, we need to import Tkinter, the built-in Python library for creating graphical user interfaces. Tkinter is great because it's simple to use and requires no extra installation if you already have Python installed. This imports the Tkinter library and allows us to create windows, buttons, and other elements needed for our calculator. Now, let's create the main window for our calculator. We'll define a class called calculator, and inside it, we'll initialize the window and create the necessary components, like the entry field for displaying numbers. Here, self.master equals master makes sure that our window is stored inside the object, and master.title calculator simply sets the title of our window. Every calculator needs a screen to display numbers and results. Let's create a text entry field using Tkinter's entry widget. Self.result tk string var creates a special variable to store the numbers entered. The entry widget is configured with a big font, some padding, and it's aligned to the right, just like a real calculator display. Now, let's add the buttons for numbers, operators, and actions. We'll store them in a list and use a loop to create them dynamically. This loop places each button in the correct row and column using grid. Now, we need to make sure the buttons actually do something. Let's create functions to handle button clicks, calculate results, and clear the display. Append to expression self-value. Adds the clicked number/operator to the display. Calculate self. Uses eval to evaluate the expression and display the result. Clear self. Clears everything when the C button is pressed. Finally, let's initialize our calculator and run the application using Tkinter's main event loop. Root equals tk.tk creates the main window, and root.main loop ensures the application keeps running. And that's it. We successfully built a fully functional calculator using Python and Tkinter. This was a great project to learn about GUI development and handling user inputs in Python. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.